Welcome back, guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to double check the Alchemy Pay. This is the greatest example. So not all the time when we sweep some liquidity pool, it's a break of structure, it's a one take. Also, I think the all targets relevant and only we can reduce the expectations by levels, because you remember when I posted the first video about Alchemy Pay with the main bull run plan targets, it was around 12.1038, 14.20, and we trade inside accumulation zone around here, so it was like 700% gains, 800% gains. From the bottom, it could be like 2000% gains. With the Donald Trump dump, basically we dump it a little bit lower. Oh no, it's still the same basically. So yes, I guess we dump it much lower, but no, because sometimes the few cents, even the few penny, it's totally different gains by percentage. So yes, it's still relevant. This target can be reached if everything will be okay with the Alchemy Pay. I mean, if this token will still exist on centralized exchanges, not delisted, with liquidity, with normal volume, so everything will be okay. It's end of cycle. By my take for this token, it can be like 2000% gains, 14 cents. So basically, yes, main bull run plan still in play. And yes, we once again inside accumulation zone. So it's 1 cent 89, 0.205. So this is the next target. Of course, everybody waiting something like this one, this cycle, but I guess it will never happen again. So 2021, it was a main euphoria for the markets, main euphoria for the altcoins, and I think we will never repeat the same story for the old coins. The brand new tokens can do the same, but after the years, they will finish like previous altcoins. Technically, this is like consolidation. It reminds me the price action of the DYDX when we formed like a triple bottom, right? But after that, landed back to once again a lower low. Now, what we can see locally on the weekly time frame, first trouble area, it's 20 EMA 1 cent 26, and of course test below 18 low by FIP 1 cent 89. So this is a target, the bullish one. If you want belief, and if you don't anyway believe in the upside move, you can add limit order to buy at this area. K level for Alchemy Pay for long run for investment. If you want to buy now, for example, at 1 cent, at 2 cents, withdraw initial deposit and forget about this token. I hope we're ready. Sweep the low, this one, what we lived here in December 2022. We sweep it and we can go higher to reach the next targets. But time will show us, of course, monthly. Here 20 EMA now around the 18 low by FIP. So this is also will be like a magnet. Nice one. Daily for the entry, where we can see the entry. First one, 1, 2, 3 advice pattern playing out with the buy signal. Here's a take profit from the last buy, and soon we will see the sell. So let's add alert to sell, but it doesn't mean if we will see the sell, it's we need to immediately open the short position. No, we can step by step. Here was example like buy, take profit, and after that, step by step, we are fix the profit and open just a local short, close the shorts, and continue work with the trend. So now the crucial level to break the structure, it's yes, everything around the 18 low by FIP. So 2 cents, it's a magnet if we want to talk about the real break of structure and the new trend. Right, opens, of course, I hope will not drop to the monthly yearly open. Now this is a weekly open, this one. So I hope they have full continuation. But this week is so important by macro news. Today I posted the calendar, economic calendar. What is bad here? This is so overhyped on the daily. So I will be not surprised if we'll go to 200 EMA, but after that, let it back and take correction. No signal to sell based on direction. Now I showed you just the local zones. Global targets Like you can see, still relevant, just a matter of time when. We can't know the time when. 12-hour time frame, guys, we are in a distribution zone. So if you trade, intraday or swing trades, so now it's more about like fixation. Profits if you open position previously, and try to look at some local scalp short position. So this is a zone of fixation. Now on direction, this is some of zone of fixation. But take a look. Accumulation being December 17 till December 26. So 9 days or even the 10 days, it was accumulation. Now the same story can be the 10 days like distribution. So we can reach this level, and only after that we will see the main signal to sell on the daily, not on the weekly. All right, dashboard, I highly recommend you use this indicator, all in one place. You can track on the screen, By the way, here, market mood, 1 day area zone. Wow, kind of interesting, right? So we're not pumped that much, right? But we are in area zone. 52% in the area. That's why it's not random, it's not showing you if we at the bottom, it can't be the area. No, sometimes it's happened. So it's showing the algorithm of market mood of sentiment. All right, so the weekly. But the weekly, definitely, guys, this is disbelief. So we just out of capitulation. So September 15 was capitulation, December 29, end of capitulation. Now it's disbelief. Nice one. And monthly, of course, it's a capitulation. So it's a great time for accumulation zone. Money power here, money in was at 110.22. So I guess some whales will trying to out at the break even. So maybe we'll see some seller pressure. Also, this is a weekly gap. 110.78. So guys, all eyes now at this crucial level. So we need to break the structure on a daily, retest it and go higher. If not, we can crash it down again. So all eyes on 110.89. All right, trade on. Trade on, I showed you, take profit, guys. The last indicator, take profit here. We test below the fundamental value. Buy line, test below, it's for 1 cent 42. Take profit line, 2 cents 81. You can add alerts to this levels and wait. Take profit line, sooner or later we will test this line 1 cent 35, exit line 1 cent 52. So this is a target what I'm waiting. I hope to see something like this one. Test the buy line and go higher. So this is it. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in comment what you think about Alchemy Pay. If you like to trade as my customer, because I was showing in this video, right, Miriam? Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.